Hello, I'm Simon here, and I'm going to show you how to pit scout a robot in FRC's 2024 game Crescendo on the WatchDawg Scouting app. So first, when you see our home page, we're going to click Pit Scout. After it loads, and it might take a bit, we're going to get to this screen. So you type in your team number, of course, right? You have the team number of your scout, and the rate of the robot, and you just go through entering most of these, right? So drive type, number of motors, right? You got your so this isn't drive type. This is drive motor type. Right, drive type, your wheel type, your robot length, and your robot width. Right. Most of these are pretty self-explanatory. And then you also have a score from podium. This is an ask like, can they score from podium? Or mainly, can they score and be undefended? Right. You'd notice on amp or speaker scoring, this is more like which one do they prefer, if they can't do one, if they excel at one, whatever one it is, right? You got intake method. Intake method is how they pick up ground from the player station, any way that they pick up. Yeah, ability to harmonize. This is like how well a team is at harmonizing, and also how good they are at kind of doing it, who they can, how many rows they can harmonize with. The climbing restrictions refers to anything that would prevent them from climbing, like if they climb second, they climb on an edge, right? These are things that would prevent someone, so this is under climbing restrictions. Note to auto routine, this refers to things like how many pieces can they score, do they have a defensive auto, what can they do, right? That's our robot in general. This is normally just anything interesting, helpful about the robot that might make you want to pick them a bit more. And last and most importantly, the name of the robot. I mean, what good team does not have a robot name? When you do that, you'll go click save, it'll generate this QR code here, and you'll also save the information in which you can go into your files and grab that information to use for a future day. And also enter into your spreadsheet. Once you've generated it, you can click New Team and go on to the next team. You don't need to scan directly after you save the data, as you can is saved. The QR code is saved in files, so you can instantly move on without having to scan it. Thank you very much for watching and listening to this on how to make pit scouting in 2024 games Crescendo on WatchDawg. Thank you very much.